going on, you guys? Crypto Chemist here, back again with another video for you guys. And again, we are starting to get right back into it. I've been off a little bit, working on a few different things, busy with a lot of trading, but we're gonna get back to YouTube full time again. Daily uploads every single day for you guys. I know you guys been missing the daily uploads. I have been uploading just a few times a week recently, but that's going to be done now. It's going to be daily uploads all over again, and we're going to start with Menapay. Crypto made easier than cash. Menapay replaces the traditional payment methods with a blockchain-based, fully backed cryptocurrency to provide a secure and transparent payment gateway, enabling transactions for every aspect of the daily life. Now, they've got a one-pager right here and a white paper right here. And first things first, I want to say these guys killed it with the website. The way that the website looks is amazing. I think presentation is a huge factor in grabbing people's attention, bringing more traffic to your project, and all sorts of different things that's going to actually be beneficial for your project and for your team in the long run. And having a nice looking, clean website is definitely one of them. Now, they have a short little video right here that we can watch all together, and we'll get back to you right after this short little video.
Menapay is tackling a fundamental issue for a whole region's consumers by creating the first payment gateway that is compliant with Islamic finance by using blockchain architecture. Sharia rules state that there should be no interest charged for a simple transaction where no item has been traded or value added. Therefore, Islamic finance is based only on profit generated from real-life transactions. In keeping with these rules, each transaction also needs to be witnessed by at least two people. With its decentralized and transparent nature, blockchain guarantees that this is the case. These core principles are why practicing Muslims do not trust centralized authorities, such as banks, which are not fully transparent over their transactions and do not fully comply with these guiding principles. Menapay uses utility tokens to share the revenues of the Menapay platform with Menapay token holders. This system is therefore fully compliant with Islamic finance rules because token holders earn returns only when the platform is used and is generating revenue. Menapay presents a non-bank crypto solution using blockchain technology to create a single currency for the MENA region, a currency to be used both for everyday offline and online payments, as well as cross-border transactions.
Interesting video right there, just kind of explaining the whole Menapay platform. But looking at the website, just like I said, very nicely outlined how Menapay works. We are creating a new standard in the crypto industry for the level of participatory returns beyond the regular incentives for users and investors. That includes P2P transactions, P2M peer-to-merchant payments, and M2F merchant to foundation, and green mining. Here's a little visual of their ecosystem, and you can actually watch another video here. Let's get right into this short little video and see what these guys are all about.
Menapay has a very solid business model, allowing us to deliver cheaper while also being more engaging than all the traditional payment methods. Basically, we have three major income streams coming from transactional flows. First, individuals pay small transaction fees if they're making peer-to-peer transactions. Next, whenever consumers use Menapay as their payment gateway to purchase something, we call this peer-to-merchant, the merchants pay the transaction fee on behalf of their customer. Thirdly, merchants can easily convert their MENA cash into fiat currency via the Menapay Foundation. We call this type of transaction merchant to foundation, and Menapay earns a cash-out fee from merchants. Our system is designed to give merchants complete reassurance over speed of our payment. Our commitment is to release the merchant's funds within 24 hours, while most traditional payment gateways do not pay in less than 30 days. So, in contrast to other blockchain coins, where cash out is complex and slow because they were never designed for daily use, merchants can get fiat currency from Menapay faster than from credit cards. We also have a revolutionary green mining method called POMT, Proof of Metacash Transactions. Clearly, the Menapay platform will become stronger the more consumers prefer Menapay as their primary payment method, and the more they ask merchants to integrate Menapay. As a reward to the public for this effort, we've designed a green mining structure to incentivize this. If any individual makes a peer-to-merchant transaction, this transaction has a chance of winning a Menapay token as a reward. The probability of winning is based on an algorithm explained in the white paper. The Menapay Foundation will purchase Menapay tokens from the exchange in order to continuously fill the mining reserve. A certain amount of transaction fee is allocated to purchase Menapay tokens to continually fill the green mining reserve. And the last piece of the puzzle in our model is that the Menapay Foundation then shares the majority of its net revenue with its own community. Menapay tokens are the currency used to share the revenue from the platform with the token holders. This is unique. Through this self-supporting and incentivized structure, Menapay will become the most generous fintech business to date and creates a structure that literally belongs to the public.
I'm really liking these short little videos that they have up, and I feel like they have a video for every single component of what you want to learn about on the website. So here's more videos here going 1, 2, 3. So video number 1 is about introducing their stable coin Metacash. Second video about the easy cash out for merchants. Again, easy integration for merchants, fully integrated Arabic interface and user experience, Menapay crypto made easier than cash, and then the difference between tokens of Menapay versus Metacash. We've got this whole outline of a bunch of different videos for you guys: the payment processing, the customer issuing bank, and then going to the payment gateway, the credit card association, the payment processor, the acquiring bank, and then the merchant. You can also play a video here that explains this whole structure all over to you, which is very interesting. I really like the fact that they have actually added videos for every single component. Now, the ICO structure of Menapay: 400 million Menapay tokens will be generated, and 64% of the coins will belong to the community. Here's a graphic of the use of the funds and the token distribution. Again, the products, guys: the mobile payment app is one of them. The merchant dashboard app is one of the other products. The reseller app is one of the products, and the API and SDK, of course, one of their main products as well. They've got a very clean looking platform. Their roadmap is right here. I mean, I really like what the website looks like, guys. October 2018, the mobile app, the beta test is ready. Metacash transaction test, November 2018. December 2018, the merchant tools launch and API and SDK. And then January 2019, the pre-ICO start and mobile payment apps launch. The public token sale will be February 2019. Listing on one of the top 10 exchanges will be in April. New security features: face recognition, May 2019, 500 merchant integration, August 2019, reaching 5 offices in many countries, July 2019. September next year, they're looking at reaching 5 million Menapay users. Next year, October 2019, parental control for family accounts, Menapay in Asian countries, and reaching 1,000 merchants, November 2019, and advanced AI features, P2P lending, and payment installment, also happening in December 2019. So partners, guys, they've got partners with some huge institutions, calling financial services companies in audit, escrow, and security. Menapay offers opportunities for partnering in its development of crypto services and market development as well. You can click on these different partnerships and find out more about them. As you can see right here, boom, you can actually go out on their website, find out more about their partnerships and who their partners are. The family, the team, Very, very transparent. Everyone's out there. Of course, we saw Lawrence on a few different videos. They're always out there. Their faces are out there. They're ready to help, and they're ready to answer questions to the community. So they've got this is the executive board right here. This is the team, of course. We've got a huge team, guys. This is a big team back in this project. As you guys can see, we're still in the team section. Now we're in advisors, more advisors, and then the board as well. So huge team backing this project. You can meet them at a whole bunch of different summits. There's a whole bunch of different events going on that these guys are going to be available to speak at. As you can see, the events are all right here. The dates are all right there. They're going to be all over the world. These guys are doing some huge things, and all of their social media outlets is right here at the bottom of the screen. Their Telegram group, huge, over 20,000 members in there. Huge community. Lots of things going on for these guys. And I believe this is going to be a very big project and a very successful one. So guys, it's still a little while until the token sale starts, just a couple of months away, but this is definitely a very interesting project for you guys to look into, as there's so much development going behind it. There's so much hype behind it, and you guys know whenever there's hype and there's a lot of work being done by the team on the development side, and there's a good team backing a project with a good idea, it's most likely going to do well in the cryptocurrency market. So check out Menapay, guys. All the links will be in the description below. If you have any questions, their Telegram group will be right there. There's admins answering questions all the time. If you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, leave a comment down below what you think about cryptocurrency right now. And guys, if you want daily uploads, again, make sure you leave a comment down below letting me know that, and we will be back with daily uploads every single day. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning into another video today, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. I'm out for now. Peace.